Another snowy weekend around here. This is rare for me. I don't get a whole lot of snow where I live, so 2 weekends in a row of it, man. Well, the good thing is I've been pretty productive this week because I haven't had a whole lot of choice. You go work out on that side of the room and you go work on this side of the room, and other than that, that's pretty much it. No outdoor activities for the most part. So, and I don't think this week's going to be too much different. But anyway, here's a Playboy video for you. I did a lot of work this week. About 50 hours a week is what I put in to my actual hands-on projects. Now, if you own a small business or run a small business, you know you put a lot more work and time and effort into your business than the actual work you're doing sometimes. But as far as, like I said, hands-on labor, about 50 hours a week. This is my 3rd week, so I'm 150 hours into this. Now I'm a bit further than we'll end in this video. I'll give you a quick snapshot of that. But it's just a good stopping point. I'm just gonna throw some random music up there that works for the video, I think. And I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. And let's get to work. And we're gonna finish out pretty close to the finish line, but just keep in mind we're a lot closer than that. But this is just a good stopping point. So here we go.
She flies like a butterfly, wind underneath her pretty wings. It's not about the money, babe. Your lessons learned while you sleep. Yeah! Every time I look in your eyes, get excited when it starts to rain. I want to look like what we say. If it's good, I call it every day. I got your number on the bathroom wall. Got your number on the bathroom wall. And I decided it was about time I made the call.
until I met you. Told myself I'd get by without love. Drowning my sorrows, avoiding tomorrows. Kinda felt that I just had enough. You light up my face with your jokes and your smiles, and the way that you came every night. Don't know what you got, but I'm sure glad I found you. Could be wrong, but it sure feels right. And here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Surprised at myself for the way that I feel. So happy that you're here with me. Somewhere that I've known have left me with nothing, but I guess that was just meant to be. And here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Here I am, I'm back on my feet again. I was out for the count, I was down, I was beat, I was crying. I was caught and hurt, I was hiding my face, sick of trying. I was so lonely until I met you. Told myself I'd get by without love. Drowning my sorrows, avoiding tomorrows. Kind of felt that I just had enough. And here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Yeah, here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Oh yeah, here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Here I am, I'm back on my feet again. Here I am, I'm back on my feet again.
Okay, that's what I got for you guys on this snowy Saturday afternoon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. In the next video, I'm going to put the playfield in the cabinet, put the lamp panel in there, situate the displays. All those little kind of detailed things are pretty time consuming. They warrant their own basically process video. And I'm going to fire it up for the first time. I'm nervous as shit about that. I'll leave this on my countertop just so I don't forget I'm dealing with this kind of game, you know, the blown varistor, that kind of thing. That's a big red flag for me. Very rare. I restore so many of these games. Maybe every once in a blue moon do you see one come in with a blown varistor. That's a bad sign. So between that and the wrong transformer assembly, I'm real nervous about throwing the switch on this one. Particularly because I got all new boards and a lot at stake. I don't want to melt anything down, but I'm pretty sure that I've exercised all its demons. I've been very thorough. I've been very meticulous about my process. I've made sure everything's in good order. I've checked every single wire. I've replaced a lot of things, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to be good, but we'll find out in the next video. So I think that's pretty good, and I'll see you in the next one.